Welcome students, let us see a very interesting question from the topic sequences. Here question is, write the first 5 terms of each of the following sequences whose nth terms are, first is an is equal to 2n plus 5, second is an is equal to n minus 3 by 4 and so on. So there are 6 parts of this question and the general term, an is a general term of sequences are given here. We have to find out first 5 terms in each case here. Well, let us start with solution of this first part. Here an is 2n plus 5. We have to find out first 5 terms. So if n in place of n we write 1, we get first term. In place of n, if we write 2, we get second term, like this. Okay, so therefore here a1 is equal to how much? 2 into 1 plus 5, and this 2 into 1 is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Similarly a2 is equal to, in place of 2, in place of n we have to write 2, so a2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 5, this is 4 plus 5, this is equal to 9. Similarly a3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 5, and this is equal to 11. Clear? I hope you are understanding it. Similarly a4 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 5, this is equal to 13, and a5 is equal to 2 into 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, so answers are, first 5 terms of these sequences are, first term is 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay, this is the answer. Correct? Very simple. Okay. Now let us see second question. Here this general term an is n minus 3 by 4. Correct? So therefore a1 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. This is minus 2 by 4. This is equal to minus half. And second term is equal to 2 minus 3 by 4, and this is equal to minus 1 by 4. Similarly third term is 3 minus 3 by 4, 3 minus 3 by 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, so this is equal to 0. Similarly a4 is equal to 4 minus 3 by 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, so this is 1 by 4. Okay, and a5 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 4, this is 2 by 4, this is equal to half. So in this way we are getting all the 5 terms of this given sequence by putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what will be answer here? The required sequence is here. First term is minus half, second term is minus 1 by 4, third term is 0, fourth term is 1 by 4, fifth term is 1 by 2. Correct? Very simple. Now let us see third question. Here general term of the third question is an is equal to 2 to the power n. So by putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we will get first, second, third, fourth and fifth terms. Okay. So here first term a1 is equal to 2 to the power 1, this is equal to 2. Second term a2 is equal to 2 square, n is equal to 2 here, this is equal to 4. Similarly a3 is equal to 2 cube, this is equal to 8. a4 is equal to 2 to the power 4, this is equal to 16. And a5 is equal to 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So in this case answer is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. This is the first 5 terms of the sequence according to the general term. Correct? And next question, fourth. Here general term an is 2n minus 3 by 6. So first term is 2 into 1 minus 3 by 6. 2 into 1 is 2, minus 3 means minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6. a2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 by 6, and this is 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 6. Okay. Next, A3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3 by 6. 6 minus 3, here 6 minus 3, that is 3. 3 by 6, that is half. A4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 3 by 6. This is 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 6. Correct? Similarly, A5 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 by 6. 10 minus 3, that is 7 by 6. So in this way, we get all the 5 terms by putting the value of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively with the help of this general term. Okay. So here answer is, here first term is minus 1 by 6, second term is 1 by 6, third term is half, fourth term is 5 by 6, and fifth term is 7 by 6. Okay. So this is the answer. Fine. Hope you are getting the solution. And next, fifth is general term an is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Okay. We can obtain the first term by putting n is equal to 1 here. So a1 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1 into 5 to the power 1 plus 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. And this is 5 square. So this is equal to 25. And second term a2 we can obtain by putting n is equal to 2 here. So minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1. Okay. This is 2 minus 1 into 5 to the power 2 plus 1. 5 to the power 2 plus 1. This is equal to minus 1 to the power 1, that is minus 1. So this will become minus 1, and 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3 means 125. This is equal to minus 125. In this way, we can get all the first 5 terms of the sequence. Similarly, here sixth question is, general term is n into n square plus 5 divided by 4. So first term here a1 will be 1 into 1 square plus 5 divided by 4. So 1 square is 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. Similarly, second term a2 can be obtained by putting n is equal to 2 here. So this is 2 into 2 square plus 5 divided by 4. So we can cancel also. This is 2 2 ja 4, and here 2 square is 4 plus 5, this is equal to 9 by 2, and so on. So we can get all the 5 terms by putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively in the given general term of a sequence. So this is very simple, very interesting question, and very important for competitive examinations. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and in the next video we'll see some another problems. Thank you. Thank you very much.